In this example, I will show you some practical ways to manipulate the design. Okay then. First, let's see how to drag elements in the sketcher. Tap the sketch to select all its elements. Okay then. Now grab the sketch and keep pressing the left mouse button and drag it to new location. As you see, the sketch is moved to the new place. For now, undo the operation. Okay then. Exit the sketcher. Now, let's see how to pan the whole geometry. Then keep pressing the middle mouse button and drag the cursor to the new location. As you see, the whole view is moved to new place. Okay then. This time, let's see how to recenter the whole design. Locate the cursor on any point that you want it to be the center of our session, and press the middle mouse button. As you see, the indicated point is moved to the center of the screen. Now, let me show you how to zoom more easily than I showed you before. Then keep pressing the middle mouse button and press the right mouse button once. Drag the cursor up and down. As you see, it is a very practical way to zoom the geometry. Okay then, let's see how to rotate the geometry. Then keep pressing the middle mouse button and press the right mouse button and don't release it. Drag the cursor to rotate the geometry. As you see, it is a very practical way to rotate the geometry. I should mention here, all the above operations are only manipulation for the geometry views, and not transformation procedures.